Hi! In front of me is OPPO RENO 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS launcher on this OPPO. First of all, go into Play Store. Now you need to click on the search bar and type in iOS launcher. Following that, install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, click on Open. Now wait a bit for the pop-ups to show, and when they do, just allow and allow while using in all of them. Then swipe up and click on Home button. Over here you need to access Settings and click on Apps section after scrolling down. Now select Default Apps and click on Home app. Finally, apply iOS launcher by clicking on it, choosing Got it, and as you can see after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. But if you wish to, you can always just switch between those layouts by going into exactly the same settings and choosing System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!